If you're an adventure seeker, Puerto Madryn is the place for water activities. Whether it's a thrilling scuba diving experience or a relaxing boat tour, Puerto Madryn offers the best options for a fun-filled time on the water. Kayaking adventure in Puerto Madryn. We meet our passengers at Piedrabuena Pier and proceed to our departure area. Upon arrival, we offer you essential equipment such as water shoes, paddles, and safety gear, including lifesavers and helmets. Our kayak guide, who will accompany you throughout the entire journey, provides you with kayaking and safety instructions beforehand. As we prepare to embark on our adventure, we set sail into the Nuevo Gulf, gliding effortlessly over clear waters and admiring the picturesque coastal scenery. Our destination awaits Punta Cuevas, an historic site known for its stunning natural beauty. After reaching our destination, we'll take a moment to rest and refuel before continuing our journey back to our starting point. This experience goes beyond being just a kayaking excursion. It offers an unparalleled opportunity to connect with nature, create cherished memories, and embrace the thrill of adventure. Join us for a once-in-a-lifetime exploration that seamlessly integrates with your cruise itinerary, ensuring your visit to Puerto Madryn is unforgettable. We tailor the tour's departure and return times based on the cruise's schedule. This tour is exclusively available for cruise passengers. Should you not be aboard a cruise but wish to participate, kindly reach out to us for additional details. Puerto Madryn. 3-hour snorkeling trip with sea lions. Embark on an immersive journey through Parana Beach, where you'll discover a hidden treasure, a Spanish shipwreck. This historical site offers an extraordinary opportunity to witness diverse marine life, including penguins, whales, dolphins, and numerous other aquatic creatures. As part of a guided tour, explore the stunning Punta Loma Natural Reserve, which provides a serene environment for observing these fascinating wildlife species in their natural habitat. The encounter with the local fauna, characterized by their untrained but friendly demeanor, allows visitors to gain valuable insights into these intelligent and adaptable animals. Under the expert guidance of a seasoned guide, you'll engage in a truly memorable adventure that combines education with hands-on interaction with sea lions, enhancing your understanding of their behavior and ecology. For those seeking convenience, enjoy hotel pickup and drop-off services at Puerto Madryn. Alternatively, arrive directly at the designated meeting point, equipped with a neoprene suit. From there, embark on a thrilling voyage aboard a specially designed vessel, navigating the waters to uncover the secrets of the shipwreck. Upon arrival, immerse yourself in the underwater world as you snorkel among vibrant coral reefs and colorful fish. After exploring the marine wonders, gather back at the dive center where you can relish a refreshing hot beverage while savoring the breathtaking views from the shore. This unforgettable experience promises to enrich your knowledge and appreciation of nature's most enchanting displays. Dolphin watching and boat trip in Puerto Madryn. Throughout the months of December through April, numerous vessels depart from the pier of Puerto Madryn with the objective of observing dark dolphins in their natural environment. These marine mammals exhibit a habit of traveling in groups, often approaching the ships. On-board visitors experience a truly awe-inspiring natural phenomenon. Visibility towards these creatures is significantly enhanced by the presence of a large group of dolphins, which quickly swims alongside the vessel, accompanying its occupants throughout the entire journey. Additionally, other members of the pod can be seen leaping, showcasing their agility and coordination with their mothers. Observing solitary individuals is equally captivating, with these animals being highly active, capable of moving at impressive speeds and altering course rapidly, particularly during underwater maneuvers. Despite the challenges posed by the inherent freedom and unpredictability of these aquatic beings, considered among the fastest species, they have been found to be effectively located approximately 97% of the time. Nevertheless, given their rapid movements, there remains a slight chance of failure. Tour operators remain steadfast in their efforts to locate these elusive creatures, ensuring that each tourist's desire for interaction with nature is fulfilled. The departure times are contingent upon prevailing weather conditions, prevailing winds, and the volume of travelers seeking such encounters. Typically, excursions commence in the early morning hours. The voyage itself spans 3 hours in duration, including a half-hour period prior to boarding. The exploration is conducted aboard a semi-rigid vessel. Puerto Madryn, Paseo Náutico con Búsqueda de Delfín. Desde el muelle Luis Piedrabuena, situado en el mismo lugar donde se amarra su crucero, ofrecemos una experiencia náutica inigualable. Iniciaremos nuestro recorrido explorando el vasto golfo, admirando una impresionante vista panorámica de la ciudad. Posteriormente, tomaremos el camino hacia la lobería de Punta Loma, conocida por ser el aparcamiento ideal para observar a los lobos marinos, quienes permanecen atentos a cualquier actividad cercana. Durante nuestra aventura, no podremos evitar visitar a los delfines oscuros, especímenes caracterizados por su curiosidad natural. A menudo, estos animales acercan sus cabezas a la embarcación durante las vacaciones estivales, mostrando actitudes divertidas mientras disfrutan del calor. Esta combinación de actividades ofrece una experiencia única Huitzimonte, permitiendo a los viajeros interactuar con estas criaturas marinas y disfrutar de su fascinante comportamiento.